Robbie has a house now.
Dude, all your berries are under you.
This is Robbie's house. That's Robbie. He's hanging out with us. He's sitting on his berries. He looks a little grumpy.
Yeah, he does.
Looks a little grumpy.
He's had a hard day.
Yeah. Little friend. And if you can guess the door. Kind of just following back on the forest line. Found this creature in the middle of the woods. Almost.
These are puffball mushrooms. You can see by the, let me find a good one.
Yeah.
They have basically this defining like crocodile skin and like pyramids in it.
And you cut it in half.
And it kind of looks like cheese almost.
So it's like a... Ready for that? Mm-hmm. I did a couple layers of skewering through the...
There's a grouse standing right in front of us. And we were both quiet, so immediately we just saw
Oh,
it.
I see where my bolt went.
These for hummus, like chickpea fiddlehead fireweed. I'm just gonna like cook it and then mash it all into a hummus. Remember we had that once? It was really good. And over here we have like sourdough mixture for tortillas. So they're gonna be like crepe kind of pan bread things. And then star of the show.
Roasted all right, and cedar smoke. Brooke's over here making hummus. We have our tortillas, so we haven't had any meat for like. We take it off of the stone at the bottom to like show how we do.
I hope it's not burnt.
Oh